The 2025 Honda Civic continues to solidify its reputation as a top-tier compact sedan, offering a perfect balance of performance, technology, and style. With a refreshed design and upgraded features, this latest iteration of the Civic is designed to appeal to both daily commuters and driving enthusiasts. Honda has made subtle yet impactful changes to the exterior, giving the Civic a more refined and aerodynamic look. A redesigned front grille, sharper LED headlights, and sleeker body lines contribute to its modern appeal. The RS variant stands out with sportier accents, 16-inch alloy wheels, and an optional panoramic sunroof. Inside, the Civic boasts an upscale cabin with high-quality materials and an intuitive layout. The standard and Oriole trims feature a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, while the RS variant upgrades to a larger 9-inch display with an Android-based interface. A premium Bose sound system, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto ensure a seamless and immersive driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Civic is powered by a 1.5L turbocharged engine, paired with a continuously variable transmission CVT for smooth acceleration. The standard and Oriole variants deliver 95 kW at 5,500–6,000 RPM, producing 180 Nm of torque at 1,704,500 RPM. Meanwhile, the RS variant offers a performance boost with 131 kW at 6,000 RPM, providing a more exhilarating drive. With a fuel efficiency range of 1114 kml, the Civic remains an economical choice for those seeking both power and efficiency. Safety has been a priority for Honda, and the 2025 Civic comes equipped with a comprehensive set of features. Standard across all trims are SRS airbags, an anti-lock braking system, ABS, traction control, and vehicle stability assist. The RS trim takes it a step further with Honda sensing technology, which includes adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation braking, lane keeping, assist, and road departure mitigation. These advanced safety features provide peace of mind, making the Civic a reliable choice for families and solo drivers alike. In Pakistan, the 2025 Honda Civic is available in 3 variants: Standard, Oriole, and RS. The ex-factory price for the Oriole variant is PKR $8,659,000, while the RS variant is priced at PKR $9,899,000. Given its stylish design, enhanced features, and advanced safety technology, the Civic remains a popular choice in the compact sedan segment. Whether you're looking for a fuel-efficient daily driver or a car with sporty aesthetics, the 2025 Honda Civic is a compelling option worth considering. I've written a 400-word YouTube article on the 2025 Honda Civic, covering its design, performance, features, and pricing. Let me know if you'd like any modifications.